Hi everyone, welcome to the channel and my name is Manish Tiwari. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about a specific topic and that topic is related to comment which I have received on one of the video. So on my one of the video, one user Harshit has posted that now everyone is talking about how to enter into DevOps, but no one is talking about the challenges which are there into the DevOps, like organizations are making different users or the different employee to work on the weekends as well, and they are not getting enough payout as well. So to answer this, let me clarify, it might be with one organization or two organization. It's not the thing across the industry. You might be working in one of the industry where you are getting that you have to do it from a scratch up to the end, correct? And you have to deliver the thing, and even you are working on the weekend, you are doing the on-call support, and you are not getting enough payout as well. But I'm hoping you might be a fresher kind of thing, or with few years of experience. As soon as you move, you will see that for different technology, for the different tools, there will be different teams as well. So if you talk about Jenkins, there will be different teams for the Jenkins. If you talk about AWS Cloud, there will be different team for the AWS. If you talk about your Kubernetes related thing, there will be a different team to handle things. If you talk about the security into the DevOps, there will be a different team for that as well. So as you grow, like you join a organization which has a higher value, correct? It's a larger organization. Then you will see there are different teams for each and every task, and you will be getting enough payout as well according to your work as well. It's not like that you are handling each and everything from a scratch up to end and you are not getting in return anything. So DevOps is not like that. DevOps is very much diversified. There are multiple skill sets which you can learn, and you will be able to get the equivalent payout for yourself based on your knowledge, based on your interview, which you will be judged according during your interview. Correct. The interviewer will judge you, and accordingly, HR discussion will happen, and you will get that compensation, whatever you expect. Correct. So let me clarify on the DevOps roles and responsibility as well, because DevOps is not like you are going to deliver each and everything. DevOps is a kind of culture where you are more focused on the automation side. If you are working on the problem management things, like if any of the alerts has come and you are trying to fix that, it's a kind of operation work as well. So it might be that DevOps, SRE operations, everything is included in your team, but talking about the technical terms, that problem management comes for the SRE or for the operations people. DevOps is mainly focused for the automation related stuffs. Like I have to do the application deployment. So I need to build the pipelines for that. It might be your GitHub Actions pipeline. It might be your Jenkins pipeline. If you have to deploy your application, you need infrastructure. So how can we automate the things so that my automation will work there and it will consume less time than the human intervention and it will keep everything ready, correct? So that way DevOps works. So I hope you you have the clarification with this video. And if you do have any other queries or any concerns, let me know. You post it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer that as well. And I hope this video will help not only Harshit, it will help others as well to understand how the DevOps domain is, correct? What kind of work is there in the DevOps and what you can expect from the industry if you are going to join the DevOps world itself. So in this particular video, I wanted to talk about all these things. Let's meet in the next video with some of the technical content. As always, we come out the AWS Cloud, GitHub, your Kubernetes related thing, and the interview preparation as well. So let's meet in the next video. Till the time, thank you. Bye bye. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel as well.